Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the settings section on your account on Amazon Shopping easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, then click on your profile icon right here down below. As you see here, you will find this settings icon next to the notifications, so click on it, and then here we find app settings, notifications, and permissions. So go to permissions, for example. Now as you see here, if you wanna manage this section, you can enable the Bluetooth, the camera, the contact, the location, the microphone, etc. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.